You see? Yan. Ayan, oh, binobombahan na yung ano, para higaan. I'm doing vlogging. But I didn't take. See? Yan, binobombahan niya. Para may higaan kami mamaya. Yan, dito kami sa campsite. Yan. Yung mga aso namin. Yan na yung ano, yung kamag-anak din namin, pamangkin namin. Diyan naman sila. Tapos dito naman sa amin. Ano din yung sasakyan namin.
Pag yan ay, pag nawala yan.
Ito yung sasakyan namin. Na ano? Ito yung sasakyan namin na nakatutok dito sa... dito naman kami nagluluto, oh. Yung asawa ko at yung pamangkin ko, nagluluto na sila, oh. Tapos, yan sila, oh. Oh, naka-set up na. Nakalimutan na set up namin yung ano, yung isang tent. Tapos ito naman yung sa anak ko. Gusto niya mag-isa lang. Kaya ito. Mag-isa lang. AJ, 2-in-1 pala yung ano, yung sayo.
Yeah, I know. I knew that.
Ah, you know that?
Yeah.
So for Melody, the other one is for Melody.
Yeah, that's why I bought it.
Oh, that's good. The one like that. And oh, nabombahan naman yung sa amin. Airbade. Ito naman yung tatawag namin ng airbade. And what is this?
For Asher.
No, for...
Asher.
Oh.
So you can lay down.
I get one? Did you get me one?
Yeah, it's 2-in-1. She bought the others 2-in-1.
That's why I bought it.
Yeah. Punasan mo. Ito, oh. 2-in-1 pala yun. Oh. Ah, you can wipe it. You can wipe it.
Which was the fluffy side? What do we
There's no fluffy one.
Oh,
This is...
no, I think that's the...
Ito yung top.
I guess so.
Yan. Tapos ito, oh, yung isa. Ito yung bata, oh. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Punasan muna na, anak. Ito yung mga gamit namin, oh. So, dito muna kami, ha.
Meron ako 3-in-1.
May 3-in-1 ka na. Hindi, meron kami dyan. Meron din kami dyan. Ayan, oh. Yan. Set up ko lang muna kasi ano na kami, eh. Yan. Saan ba? Yan, iharap ko lang. Kasi, ano na kami? Kakarating lang namin. Biruin mo. Ilang oras ang biyahe natin? 7, 8? Oh, wow. 8 hours biyahe. Isang araw, maghapon. Pwedeng iwan ko dito yung isang mic para magkukwentuhan kayo. Makukuha niya.
Wala naman tayong ilaw.
Meron akong ilaw. Oh, see? I have here. But you know the flashlight? I forgot the flashlight. Ay, yung susi ng ano, sasakyan. Oh. Sa inyo ba to? Sa amin?
Sa inyo po.
Ay, yung susi ng sasakyan kung saan lalagay. Tapos mamaya maghanap.
Water, baby? For coffee?
I think we have the thermos. Ito, oh. Ewan ko kung ano. Kung mainit na mainit. Kasi kanina umaga lang naman to.
Uy, baka hindi You want, I want, she wants, you want. No, you have coffee. Yeah.
We have coffee here too. Coffee mate, sugar.
Han, they're taking turns.
Oh, see, umuusok pa. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Kasya yan. Mag-ano ka? Gusto? Yan o, may ano, may 3-in-1. Yan o.
Meron din ako. Ano, Nescafe.
Nescafe yan. Yan naman kopi ko. Ito siya oh. Ito kasi ang gusto-gusto ni AJ eh. Oh, hindi kasi ako nakapunta sa ano.
Meron ako. Dalawa na lang sa'yo. Maraming sa akin.
Para pag naubos yan. Ito, kuha ka na lang dito. Kunin mo na lang. Ito, oh, kinuha ko doon para sa kay Asher Reserva. Sa Bali Village lang. O, tinan mo.
Buti kasha.
740. Nung, ang dami kong binili pero hindi kasha.
Walang malapit na store dito.
Ito luto na ito, hindi ba?
Malayo. Yung ano, yung bilihan. Ipasok mo nga ito doon sa ano, anak. Yung bihisan ko.
Oh.
Did you wipe the...
Meron akong dalang wine. Kaya lang di marami.
Oh, you have the wine.
Nagsukat pa ako ng
Wow.
party kami sa gym. Sabi
Ang
ko,
ganda ng bahay-bahayan namin. Sayang.
Takila pa man din yung ano namin.
Halo?
Anak, kunin mo nga yung camera ko.
Yun,
Iyan
wala
mo.
pang ano,
Iharap mo dito
chaser.
sa akin.
Hindi, masarap pag pure.
Nagsuka ako sa sasakyan ni Mark.
Kuhanan mo ako, ha? Ay, hindi.
Ayoko na.
Hindi ganyan.
Ay, shook.
That was my favorite tequila.
Yan.
O, nung may party kami kay Dano,
Oh.
1 liter in.
Baliktad naman to.
Hingi ako ng hingi ng tequila. Iba.
Ikaw lang tumira
I don't think so. Maybe. Ha?
Parang tao.
Pwede rin para sa isang tao to. Ilagay ko lang muna dito para hindi mapak-apakan. And then, did you put the... Where's the
Han,
net?
por favor.
AJ,
Ha?
you know the net?
The instant
Here?
coffee
On top?
that I brought.
Where is
and
it?
the
Ito.
mugs.
Gusto mo?
Yes, paglalagyan ng ibang ano.
Yeah. Drive safe, babes.
Net. Saan nalagay?
Hindi pa daw anak.
Can you-
Kaya excited ka.
Dito.
Han, if you saw milk,
Hindi naman para ito dito.
Ganyan.
You sure?
Thank you po.
Tapos, dun sa
As
isa
the
naman.
small one, she's gonna go with her to the yes.
Yan.
Meron
And
naman
then,
ditong ano, talagyan ng coffee. Tingnan ko lang.
oh.
Sama rin ako.
Actually, never mind, ha, never mind. We've got,
wants
but
to
just
come
the instant coffee. Huh?
Yeah,
Everyone's
ba?
coming too.
Okay.
Everyone's coming.
She has disposable mugs. Thank you.
Where's my car keys?
Oh, bakit ganyan?
Oh no, you don't have car keys. You're gonna run
Your
away.
mom
Oh.
put it somewhere.
Ma, see,
Anak, hindi namang ganito ito.
no, it's like that. It's a secret.
Where are you going?
We're just gonna get some stuff. Oh, veggies. Some stuff from the grocery.
Do you have
No po,
grocery here?
The Filipino one. Thank you.
8 minutes away. Ice milk.
Asan yung isang anak? Akin na, hawak-hawak mo.
Did I say
I thought you meant ice.
AJ, akin na yan.
Ice.
Tapos yung net na ilalagay sa top.
Do you need anything, Ma?
We need the, where are you going?
Nescafe.
I think,
Baka naman somewhere.
kung ano yung alam mo anak na wala dito.
Why are they going to the store?
I can text you later.
Veggies, chips.
I just said please.
Do you need anything else?
I got chips, 2 big bags.
Oh, okay.
Costco bags of munchies.
May chips din dyan. Yung organic na ano.
Like I bought 2 big bags first, and I bought sourdough bread, 2 big ones.
Okay.
I got bacon, a big pound of bacon. I got lots of eggs.
Honey, that's
Breakfast.
Yan ang egg ang bala sa amin. Hindi kami nagdala.
Grabe.
Alam mo anak, hindi ito dito. Sa labas ito.
But it's not much.
ganyan.
It's not
Hindi.
much, so I don't think it's gonna be enough
mo
for
to.
us.
Diyan.
Alam mo,
It will just
this
be
is
like
not,
Baka gusto mo uminom or no?
it's not that one.
Sa loob to. Why?
Or beer?
Why? Isa pa.
Hindi yan eh. Asan yung isang, meron akong bitin-bitin eh. Dapat ito kasi sa ano.
Baliktad yan.
Babalik ka rin. You wine sa Pilipinas?
How?
May wine sa
No, not parking.
Hindi naman kasi ito dito eh. Kasi nung ginagamit natin ito, hindi dito sa loob yan, sa labas yan.
ng wine, no vino.
Sa labas. Wala.
Yes.
Kakabit sa labas.
Yes.
Kakabit.
Pag ganun yan.
Yeah, very close. Yuki has everything.
Hindi ko na masyadong naisipan.
No, it is. Sa labas to.
So tomorrow, what are we gonna do?
Emperador.
Are you going with us?
Yes.
To where?
To the groceries.
Saglit lang guys. At ano, naayos ko lang yung ano kasi.
It's
Nag-iba yung
it's
settings ng ano eh.
It's a hike.
So,
Nag-iba yung settings ng
we GPS it because you
Ano
get lost
namin?
really easily. It's not
tent
long.
namin.
It's really muddy if it's muddy up there. We went
Hindi
kind of
naman ito, ganito.
But yeah, it's cool. I mean, I don't think it'd be a hike for her.
Yeah. I'd say
I've already been, so I can say to her, like, oh, she can hike. It's not steep or anything. Once you get to the plane, you
Hindi ito ganun eh.
climb right up on it.
yeah.
So it's pole number 12, right?
Baliktad, anak
I drove
eh.
pole 12.
Hindi
I
ganito
just looked at
to.
it on maps. I've always been planning to go, but I just haven't had the time.
So there's like those poles there. They're labeled and there's a number on it.
Yeah.
And I know when you look it up, I think it's 12, and then you get to 12,
No,
and the
no
trail starts.
labor,
right there.
nothing.
It takes like
$5.
15, 20, not even.
Yeah.
Mahal
like
naman
total, right?
Huh?
And
Ang
as
mahal
you
naman
walk up, it's cool because you'll see where they drop the bombs. Because they were trying to get up, right? And they were going down, so you can see the
Oh,
big
I
craters.
want to know the
So
story.
you can
My father
see the
used to-
two craters, and then they just couldn't get up, and then they just hit a tree.
What's that?
Oh, that's what it's about. My father said it's like World War II or something.
Yeah, and there you can see where they dropped
Ito,
the big bombs.
para sa ano.
Probably it's not as visible now, but you can see the
Ganun,
craters.
ganun,
'Cause they
dito
dropped, I
yan.
think, two on the way
No,
up there.
that's
You'll
not
see the two big
it.
holes, and then you'll look up and you'll see the,
Yeah.
the plane.
May mga ano ako nun eh. Pero ewan ko bakit nabago itong ano.
Oh, you're gonna kill that. Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, yeah, good job. You're gonna play Word with Jay.
Ay, anak, what are you doing?
But like-
Is that my phone?
No, we're playing. She's playing like she's trying to save the dogs from not getting stung
Anak,
by
ha,
bees.
don't
It's,
ano
I
ha,
just want
buy,
them to see
buy
Long Beach.
ano,
Yeah, Long Beach. And
don't buy
the dogs can also.
games.
It's not allowed on the beach in the summer.
Oh, they can. How about the other one?
At least that's, I think, I don't know.
No,
if it's
this is
but
not
I'm pretty sure. I read, check your internet. when
Like
you tell me.
Cox Bay?
Yeah. Contact.
Yeah, I think they allow dogs. Like I went there last time and
Some of them, I'm pretty sure if you look
Kailangan
up,
maganda
say,
sa
Long Beach
camera.
dogs. If they go on leash, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can take them on leash, but if I'm not mistaken, I don't think they're allowed on in the
Yeah.
summer. But they could be allowed on leash. I'm not 100% sure.
just keep the leash on, but like let them.
Yeah, yeah.
They're on leash.
Like double check when you're in town when you get good
Yeah.
to say dogs.
Not Lola.
I know they're allowed.
Can you...
I thought.
Ayan. Ayun.
Diyan pa madin may titita.
I think get out
So I
of
was
it.
thinking, yeah.
Yung ano ko,
Just leave it at
medyas ko, na ano na tuloy.
Buy two.
So you have to turn off the data for it to.
Yan.
Are you ready, Kuya? Before they close? They close at like
Sige, it's
9.
okay, you can go.
Okay.
You can go, you can go. Please drive safe. Please.
I'll drive for you.
Kamay si Atara ah.
Kasama nga.
My phone is in there, right?
Pwede ba ito kay Kupat?
Yeah. Oh no, that's no. Don't give
No, wag po. Ay, ano yan? What is that?
You can give that to him. No, Cooper.
Lagi yan tinatago yan. Pag ayaw niya kainin, itatago niya. Ganun, ilalagay yan sa ilalim.
He's allergic to chicken. He breaks out
Mommy.
these rats.
You have a chicken. Meron
We
chicken.
found every
Ayaw niya
chicken
kainin,
in
di
the
ba?
top the whole time.
May kinain na ni Mikmik. Oo. Alam mo, mas gusto ko to. Yan, mas more on cream. Ito, mas gusto ko yung more on coffee.
Kasi ikaw, tito, ano gusto mo?
Ayan na.
No, it kept coming and going away. And
Pero wag masyado matapang. Kalahati lang.
basically
O
it said
buo.
every rap's
Buo sa akin eh.
Took chicken away. Never had
Ayun, ayan sila. Akin na ano.
She was in a like serious.
Ibang bag ko. Ay,
No, they just have their allergic.
wait, I will get the other bag.
Boil mo pala ng water eh. Ito na na.
Wait.
Okay.
$10 every time you take.
Boil. Okay na to, boil na.
100.
Oh, this one. This is the bag of...
Have you not taken them in yet?
Well, I will...
Checking out.
Yes,
Wait.
very expensive.
I will
And then they gotta give him the
bring
shots,
this
like it's too-
inside.
In August he gets the rest of his.
All
Three
of
more.
them.
Yeah.
So that I can
Only
set up.
for the shot, 110 for him to get 'em. And when I was there last,
Baba ko
I
muna
didn't
ito, anak,
realize
kasi
that
para i-set up
when
ko
we
dun sa
do
loob.
I'll do them all. And then I would
Wait.
pay 110, but now I'm bringing back. So
AJ? AJ?
I didn't know that.
Kunin mo yung iba sana doon. Kunin mo ibang gamit doon, ilagay dito.
Uy, bilisan lang yun. Kakain na tayo.
Tito, o. Haluin mo na lang ha.
Thank you. Mark.
Halo ka ba dyan?
Oh, I'm good.
Oh, yeah.
This is from home. Oh, it's cold, but I don't mind.
Tita, at
Wala nang sauce. Hindi mo dinala yung sauce mo?
Nakalaya nga.
Oh, you guys fishing?
What's up?
You guys going fishing?
they're gonna
I
go
don't know. I thought
crabbing.
there was a sea beside, or like a. I thought there would be like a.
They're fishing along
Love.
if you go. I saw people
Yeah.
grabbing their rods there
Okay. Well,
on the way
Oh.
home.
You see? Asher's keep on... If he doesn't like to eat, just keep on hiding. You see? Anak, akin na to. Then that one too. Just put in the... I can get it later.
The boy.
They're taking turns.
I wonder why. Usually when you get fixed, it takes it away, but
Yan.
no, not chicken.
Ito na lang. Ito, mas makapal.
Mary's in heaven.
Ito na lang.
You're in heaven.
mas makapal ba yan?
Ewan ko. Mas malaki to eh. Yan, mas maliit yan. Ikaw lang mag-isa.
3-pound sleeping bag.
Ikaw.
Love.
Tito, buti.
Water ready.
Dito buti ano? Buti.
Yeah, make sure you turn it off. You're not using it 'cause the
75 inch,
gas.
33 inch.
You might as well save as much
Basta
as you
tignan mo
can.
yung
One more can. Yeah, just turn it off. Only when you're done with it. They last a long time.
No, this one. Okay.
So I consider what. Tutagdagan ko pa? Meron pa eh, oh.
Okay lang.
Masarap ba?
So they just got it.
Kasama si Kuya.
Look at you.
Oo, hintayin nyo lang.
Probably.
AJ, sama ka ba?
Only Filipinos would cook like this in your campus.
Yeah.
We just have hot dogs.
Yaboo!
Hot dogs. I got a whole.
Bigyan mo kay ano? Yung, kunin mo yung ano? Yung, ito. Pepperoni. No! For Asher. Wait, I'll set up later. Hinihintay ka. They're waiting for you.
I hope there's... How far is it?
I don't know.
We don't need anything else, huh?
Kape? Yun no, yung kanya kumuha ka
We
na
don't
isa
need
doon.
anything else.
Oh, may pagbalik ko na ako.
Kunin mo na. AJ.
We don't need anything.
Pagbalik mo? Gusto mo ba?
Matapon sa
Kape? Kayo ng kape yun?
amin po, ito sa'yo. Kalahati lang tita kasi konti lang mali.
Oo, sige, maliit lang yung baso eh. Nakuha mo yung sauce?
Wala na.
Tita, may pangano ka dyan, panghalo ka?
Ay, bili kayo ng
Chocolate
ketchup.
this morning?
Ha?
She just.
Bili kayo ng ketchup.
Oh no, she does. Yeah.
Ketchup para sa ano, yung barbecue. Wala tayong pang ano. Sayang yung sauce.
Ask Melody if she has.
You forgot the sauce.
800 grams of chocolate. Oh yeah.
And we also have the...
Ilagay ko sa ano yun
Tita,
eh. Ganito.
kumukulo-kulo to, nagtatapon. Anong gagawin ko?
Ah,
Ganito ko?
okay lang.
Ito chips. Ito para sa ano.
May chips din po kami.
Oh, forgot my sauce.
You brought bug stuff, right?
Tapos ito oh.
Hold on.
Did you bring bug spray?
I did.
And then we also have this. Oh.
I've already had like 3 or 4.
I think, no. Ito pang ano.
See this?
Yeah, because
I quit chefing years ago.
Sabi ko
Ito,
supervisor.
baka kailangan nyo itong ano.
now it's better like, you know, because people like, you know, how to do this, okay.
Ay, ito pala, meron pa pala oh.
Right?
Tapos may quaker oats pang almusal ni
I don't know why,
Atara kung
I
gusto
lost
niya.
interest in cooking. And I just been eating like whole food, so I find out bad. So I'm just eating really good food, but I just cook like.
Oh, they have a sugar.
No carbs in it. I just take that and eggs. We love eggs in the morning.
Alam mo, may ano, may spoon here.
Ito, nagtutulo-tulo talaga siya. Kasi mahinaan ko.
Oo. Mild lang.
I tried to buy, yung hindi mahilig sa Atara ng, Atara, si Asher ng ganito. May nakabili pa man din ako. Yung chicken na para sa
Garbage,
ano.
right?
Bawal po siya sa chicken.
Oh,
Garbage bag, lab.
Ha?
Hindi siya allergic.
ano na?
Puti.
The what? Alin?
Garbage bag.
Ang ano? Lamig.
Yes, camping with Filipinos.
Saan ba yung jacket ko?
Next year again.
Ay, umalis na sila. Yung jacket ko nandun sa
Next year,
sasakyan.
we should book at like
Yeah.
Gordon Bay.
Gordon Bay, yes. May washroom dun, mami, na flashable toilets.
Oh.
May shower, may lake. Pwede tayo magkaya. Next year.
Maybe next year.
Pero paano yun, Tito? Buti nakakuha kayo ng ano, ha? Nang kayo pareho di Halloween.
Kasi matumal nga ngayon ang ano.
Buti na lang, sakto.
Buta na.
I mean, I'm sorry. Buti kasi ano. Buti kasi naka-off kayo pareho.
Oh, di ba? Ay, ngayon naman si Mau naman ang ano. Where's my coffee?
Ayan, mami, pinaka-dark sa'yo.
Ito dark ang gusto ko eh.
Lovely. Like, ano yung mga tahugasan?
Alin?
Pero hindi pa po yan nahahalo, ha? Kasi walang ano.
Ito
Wala
pang.
pong panghalo.
Ito marami tayong ano, real spoon at saka meron tayong disposable.
I think, oh.
Kape din yan, pero yung isa na nakabote, galing sa coffee shop
Try na akong ito. Ang lasa.
Hindi.
Balon-balon.
Nagpabili ako ng ketchup.
Meron dyan. Meron dito. Wala bang balon-balon?
Mayroon.
Nagpabili ako ng ketchup kila Melody kasi you forgot the sauce. Sayang. It's not the sauce.
Remind ko sa milk.
It's not hard. Not try.
I like that's kidney, right?
It's not liver, right, you know?
Kidney.
Sino yan?
Hola!
It's a good,
Don't forget milk po. Maliit
It's not
lang po
cooked,
na milk.
not cook. Oh, it's not
Thank
cook,
you.
more cook.
Okay. Drive
MJ.
safe.
It's
Milk
not- it's
po
not
and
cooked
ketchup
yet.
daw sabi ng mama
Nagluluto
mo.
lang kami.
Right? The kidneys aren't cooked.
Yeah, the tita ketchup ba?
Yes.
Inutusan ba sila ketchup? Oh yes, ketchup
Oh, kasi
daw.
para sa ano, para sa dapat kasi may ketchup ito para magkakaroon ng lasa.
Bye.
Kung pwede yung ano anak, yung sweet na
Sweet daw, sweet.
Sweet na ketchup?
More cooked.
yeah.
Ano meron?
It's not professional.
Alam mo ba, mami, may Filipino, may Filipino
It's not a professional
grocery dito
grill.
malaki. Kapit-bahay ang pangalan. Sa Parksville.
Oh,
Tasty.
Oo, sa...
eh layo pa. Parksville pa.
Dumaan tayo ng Parksville
I like
kanina.
kidneys, heart.
Kanina. Meron bang pwede dyan?
Testing, yeah.
I
Kainin?
like all that.
Wala pa.
Chicken feet I like too. I just not.
Ay,
it's not
luto na to?
yeah.
Oo.
Not
Yan.
so much now because
Waka mo nga.
Nandun
What's
yung
up?
kape
You might
ko,
want to
mami.
cook them longer.
Ha?
Nandun yung kape ko.
Ito to.
You're not
Ay,
listening.
hindi sa'yo yan.
Kanina.
I
Ito?
think this one's ready.
Baka ito.
Okay.
Merong may
It's
ako.
ready to cook. It was cooked,
Baka ito.
Tito, yun yung sa'yo.
really?
Akin to.
I don't know what's.
Okay, bahala na kahit sino.
I think this one.
Thank you.
Mm.
Yeah, try mo.
Gusto mo, mami, balon-balunan? Ito.
Ayun,
This
balon-balon
one's
man.
ready cooked.
This is, I like this. Toasted.
Like the chicken feet.
Yan.
Honey, try the feet. Come on.
And this is good for, oh, there's a chili. I don't like the chili.
Ayaw mo, tita?
Ayoko. You don't like chicken feet?
No, it's really good.
Try it now. Maybe you will not.
That's a really charred one. Is this really spicy?
Yeah.
Ito, kape na may chicken feet.
Good meal.
Not bad.
Put the sauce here, love. So you don't chuk chuk, you know?
Oh,
Ay, naku.
I only did it once.
Sayang yung ano,
She's back.
yung sauce mo. Ano to, spicy?
Yeah.
Spicy? Oh. Yung sweet sana. Ay, may dala ka palang egg eh. Buti may dala kang egg pang almusan.
You eat the bottom on its bone. Huh? Bone?
Yeah.
You eat it?
You eat everything?
Yeah, I can eat it,
No?
everything. No, I can,
Aw, puppy.
that's good for puppy.
Yeah, they like chicken feet.
Yeah.
He's allergic to chicken, but they sell it at the butcher, chicken feet, for dogs. But they're hollow, so it's easy to eat.
Because you know the chicken feet bone is soft.
Yeah.
So it's good for the puppy.
The girl came back to look for a cat.
That's one.
It's cute.
What happened?
The girl came back. She's looking towards for a cat.
Ah.
And I said to mom, and I was like, oh, it's good. And she's like, looks good. And I was like, yeah. You would never eat that.
She eats liver and stuff.
But she wouldn't eat chicken.
She has to try.
Hmm?
I want something like this, honey. Please.
What is this? Is this
I want something like this.
Next year.
Next time. Next year.
Actually, buying it in the off season is better.
So I heard. Yeah.
So buying like this winter, like after the summer, buying these kind of things at Canadian Tire, they'll all
Yeah,
be on
we're gonna
sale
be
for
on it.
nothing. They're like 20, 30. That's only like 40, 50 bucks. You probably buy them used off, used for pretty good deals too. Yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes.
How do you call this? Is this still raspberry? Why is orange?
Mami, baka wild yan. Baka
I've
di
never
pwede
seen
yan.
ones like that.
Huwag mong kainin.
I never eat this
Where did you
because
get that? Oh, from
No.
there?
From
Oh,
here.
I don't know.
Baka lason.
Blackberries, but those aren't right.
Uy.
Sige, laban sa tito.
baka mamaya.
Oh no.
What happened?
It's okay.
Honey,
No,
can
it's
you get
okay.
the bug spray, please?
Where?
It's in the bag. It's in the bag.
I'm-
And you know that small purple bag where all the first aid stuff are?
Ito mo ang bugas
There.
dito.
Ano na lang baso para basuhin na lang tito para ano.
Oh.
Wag. Ito. Ito.
Nahanap ko yung jacket ko nasa sasakyan pala.
May jacket na lang.
Malamig din naman yung jacket niya, ano?
Sayang yung sauce, yung pa na magpapasarap lang.
Oo nga. Hindi mo nilagay dun sa ano? Sa box?
Lutuin mo na lahat yan. Alam ko mauubos siguro yan.
Okay. Yes, chef. Nax.
Lutuin, tapos ilalagay lang yung papainit na lang bukas. Habang magluluto ka.
Okay lang ba yung ganyan?
Mm-mm.
Masyadong ano.
Habang magluluto ka, kakain ka rin, ah.
Hindi, gusto kong ano eh. Gusto ko yung kakain ako yung nakaupo ako. Yung, ganun, yung parang tapos na lahat.
Pero malamig na.
Ah, ganun. O nga, no? Mamaya. Hindi. Try ko mamaya.
Kaya yung sauce. Ang sarap pa man din yung sauce mo.
Iwan.
Kaya yan.
Ano nga? Dapat meron silang ano? Ipabili dapat ako ng ano, yung host na kahit maiksi lang.
Huwag na, mami. Huwag na. Okay lang. Kaya natin yan. Kung kakapalang kumukha ko.
Hanggang ano pa tayo nun? Ay, uwi na pala kayo ng ano, nang mauna kayo ng Sunday? Kami naman sa ano pa? Dapat pala kailangan natin ng ano? Mas malaking tent na.
Ah? It's in my backpack.
Which backpack? Black one?
The blue one. I think it's, and then there's a purple bag with it.
Bukas ang hapon, inihaw na tilapia naman.
Yay!
Asal mo.
Yun yung binili ko sa ano, sa superstore.
Rosens kasi.
I think it's over there. Check in there.
Ay, aluminum
It's okay,
foil.
love. Never mind.
Napabili mo sila aluminum foil. Love,
Ha?
Tawag ako.
aluminum foil.
Okay.
Pang ihaw. Hindi, okay.
Okay lang, basta hinaan lang yung ano.
Tawagan ko, Tito, habang nandun sila. Ano?
O, sige.
Pwede naman kahit na walang aluminum foil, basta
Hindi, bili lang. Tawagan mo.
dahan-dahanin. Ah, pwede rin. Bili daw.
Para ano. Para masarap ang luto.
Hello? Your dad said aluminum foil for the fish.
Tomorrow.
Yes po. Are you still there? Thank you. Perfect. Bye.
Malapit lang ba?
Parang malayo. Kanina pa sila umalis. Kararating lang nila.
Sayang walang raspberry. Nasasakot naman ako sa orange. Baka mamaya.
Hindi ka nagpabit saan?
Hmm?
Bukas na.
Hindi, yung ano gusto ko yung namimitas. Ako nag-i-enjoy ba?
Punta ka ng farm, mommy. Berry picking.
Nag-pick kami noon eh. Noong last year, yung blueberry picking.
You can try some more.
It's my coffee.
You don't like it?
Mas bukas na umaga. Nilagang mais.
I like this.
Ang maganda ihaw yung mais.
Tagal pala tayo dito hanggang
Last
Sunday
time I
na.
had those when we stopped at that little
Oh,
place.
hanggang Monday pa. Hanggang Monday pa tayo dito. Hanggang Monday tayo. Hindi, ano siya?
Did you have chicken?
Oh, 3 nights. But 4 days. 4 days, 3 nights.
The chicken feet,
Lagyan mo na para malalagyan ng ano.
organs.
Huwag mo nang ilagay lahat yung mga basa dun sa ibabaw kasi ano yun eh.
Looks like they
Dapat nga nagdala tayo ng ano, yung maliit na table.
have the organs, intestines, heart,
Oh yeah, of course they have it.
heart.
Next year yung mag-truck na lang dali natin.
Hindi, ito mo andito sa Latiseni.
Oo. Pag andito sila Teseni.
Oh, finally she sent back. Not sure about the feet.
Who said that?
My mom. Cooper. Hey, Cooper.
Where did you get the water for coffee? Here? Sa thermos?
Dito po, dito.
Oh, nagpakulo ka ng bago?
Dito, nagpakulo ka.
Sayang yung ano. Oh, because it's too, you see, the vegetable, it's too hot on the car. That's why it's, oh, you know, this one too, it's already ripe. It's,
Yung mga laruan nito. Laruan nito sa ito.
huh?
Laruan na lang ito.
Just put in the car, this.
Very
Because,
close is ocean here, Mark.
Huh?
The ocean very close.
The only way to go to the ocean is to go to Tofino.
ah, to
Tofino's all the
Tofino?
beaches.
Oh, this one too.
I think it's very close here.
Oh, meron pa palang isang
Very
ano.
close, yeah. So instead of coming this way, you just go that way.
Oh, just walking.
And it goes around the coast here on the point. See right over there? It's all, Long Beach is beautiful. One of the nicest beaches you'll ever see. The only problem is I don't think you're allowed dogs on Long Beach.
Oh, it's not
I'm
allowed.
pretty sure this time of year. So we'll just have to take turns.
Have to close para hindi ano yung lamok pala.
Our doors closed because of the...
I zipped it up tight because the front was open there.
Na yung ano, lamok. Ito yung kape mo.
Bus na.
Kung lagdag ka pa, lagdag natin kasi meron pa.
If I know that we buy the inflatable, I hope we didn't bring some other like the
The what?
this one. How do you call this?
Sleeping bags.
Yeah,
You still need a sleeping bag. Huh?
yeah, but it's not double because it's
It'll be cold in the
Okay,
morning.
ganyan lang
oh
When we stayed at Gordon Bay was those hot days.
uh-huh.
We woke up at like what, 3-4 freezing. It
Wow.
gets cold at night. It gets
And
cold
then it's open.
Yung ano, patay na yung kanin dito.
it'll get down to I bet you about
Napatay
70
na po
degrees.
yung gasol.
Oh, yeah, it's good that we brought the lemon.
Lime.
Lime.
No dogs are permitted on the beach or the boardwalk on Long Beach.
Oh.
So the only way we're gonna see Long Beach is if we take turns.
No dogs. Wow.
Oh wait, dogs are permitted in the Long Beach area of Pacific Rim National Park Resort,
Cooper, Asher, no
with the
bark.
exception of Coombs Beach from April to October. So we can't go on Coombs, which is too bad. That's a nice beach. The San Gabriel Trail is a multi-use trail that's a great place to walk Fido in Long Beach. So we just have to watch where we go.
Kaya pala hindi siya na kasi kalahati lang ano. Meron din kaming ganun doon, yung sa inyo, yung mas malaki kaso.
Mas malaki.
Wala kaming lalagyan
Nang.
ng tangke na ganyan, kalaki. Kaya sabi namin, yung maliit na lang dalhin natin.
May ganun din kayo.
Di ba may malaki kaming grill?
Oh, so actually they're
Yung
allowed on
tangke.
all of the beach part except for Coombs.
Oh,
Exception of Comer's Beach from April 1st to October, but they're allowed everywhere else. Dogs are permitted. They must be on leash on all times.
okay.
This includes beaches, trails, parking lots, and in the water. On leash at all times.
Oh, that's good so that they can enjoy too.
Comer's Beach.
Ang toyo.
So they got a map here. So
Ang sarap ng balon-balunan. The kidney one. I like it. Mas masarap sana kung may ketchup. Yung sauce na ginawa niya eh.
Kakain daw sila.
So in this area here, we're allowed to have our dogs in here. So once we walk down here, we can go in this section. Or over here, we can't go any of the middle part. So we'll just have to stay off and if you want to walk. Because this is the nice part, we're walking through here. It's probably why they have it blocked off. Because here, if you want pictures, this rock face is beautiful. You know the pictures you see on your computer all the time? That with the rocks on the ocean, it's always of Long Beach. It's
So when are we going to do? When are we going
Ito lang
to?
talaga problema sa ano eh.
Tomorrow, okay.
Puro buto na, tito. Masarap pero yung...
Pero masarap siya.
Pero kumbaga puro...
Nung nag-adobo ako, the adobo, like this, chicken feet adobo. Maureen's love it.
Oh?
I just done Congo beef.
Pero ang ginawa ko yung malagas-lagas na, yung talagang overcook na.
Para madaling kainin.
Mahina kasi yung gilid lang ano kasi tabingi. Kung sanang wala ito, usog natin.
Saka naman mas madaling lutuin pala tito dun sa lutuan namin.
Alin?
Yung beef, sa tingin mo. Hindi.
Hindi, mas malakas yan. Mahina yung sa ano.
Baka,
Saan? Malakas din yung ganun May tuloy ako makapag sausaw kasi manghang ba?
Honey, why is Cooper whining?
Not Cooper, it's
It's Asher.
Manghang ba?
He sees a dog.
Cooper's not back anymore.
Isa manghang?
Hindi.
Try ko lang.
Asher, relax.
Dito
Eh, hingi ako ng ano.
He sees a dog over there at the edge.
I think he's just since they left.
Manghang?
Hindi.
Try ko lang. Ngayon pala, masarap siya.
Hello, supervisor.
Hmm?
Hello,
I was
supervisor.
just saying if I could eat over there.
Ito, tanggalin natin yung, asan yung gumting? Oh, yeah, over there.
This is the only time she cooks.
Excuse me. You know where we camp, Tita? I cook everything.
Yeah, she cooks. She never cooks at home. We cook. Oh, there's all that leash. All right, Cooper, no bark. No bark.
His bark is just... Oh, see? Asher is like big.
Oh, Cooper can bark too. If he wants to.
We have a bark collar
Oh,
on him.
that's why.
It'd be good with him to train him. Not
Asher?
to jump. Yeah. It has a little. You can do a sound, so it makes a beep sound, or it vibrates, or if they're not listening, it gives them a shock.
But if you can make it like really low, so it doesn't hurt. Or I mean, it
Because
doesn't
if he
hurt.
jumps, you could just press it and be like no, and then give him a treat. And I bet you he'd learn not to jump.
Oh, that's what,
'Cause he's pretty. He jumps hard.
yeah, his walker told us that you have to train him not to
what?
jump to everyone.
Yeah. Get the collar. It's only $39 on Amazon.
Mm.
Yeah, it's for me. It's my daughter dog. Sir, it's not jump for me. I'm quiet coming.
Well, because he knows you.
I'm not coming. And then, I didn't playing. Because Melody, Melvin, always playing in at home.
Yeah. Cooper.
Where's my...
Do you know you have something like beef or something here? What's this?
I don't...
It's this beef because you got it sitting out. Probably should be.
I think, oh yeah, I think for dog.
Oh, you feed him raw food.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think for dog.
The liver, lamb liver.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
Because he doesn't like the chicken.
Yeah, we just feed dry food.
2 hours. 2 hours. Okay.
I'm gonna get the for the, you know.
The light?
Yep.
No, that's for Asher. But I don't think so if he likes it.
Try the...
Yeah, I stick just to dry food. The wet food's expensive, like that stuff.
Yeah.
Yum.
Are you working at the...
I went back to Viber Boots
To where?
to Uptown at Viber
Oh,
booth.
you're at that one again.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
because the ecologist was shut down,
Oh.
so they want to close. So maybe because mismanaged. Yeah, so suddenly I went to Viberg to visit them, and then the owner called me. Yeah,
And the owner called you, and that was
yeah. He called me before, but I didn't accept because he just offer only $23 per hour, so I didn't accept. So when he said it's 24.50 starting, then okay.
Kasal na ulit.
Sorry, honey,
3
I
months
missed
ago
yours.
now.
Ano po yung kasi wala na. Okay.
Why
Mamaya
don't
ko
you
na
work
sabihin
at the
kasi may
coffee
mic
shop?
eh.
No, we have two staff, Sagun and Ebi.
Filipino po.
No, they are Indian, and I don't know what is the nationality of the other one. Sagun, but they are nice too.
How much?
I have.
Yeah, just here, waiting the chicken feet.
I'm not even that hungry.
Hindi.
Hmm.
Abang natupok ka, sit down.
No, gusto ko nakatayo kasi ang sakit-sakit na ng puwit ko kanina sa
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
My-
you're wearing my pants.
I'm sorry, honey. I
Please
put
tell
it
me, bro,
over.
other ones, because I don't have. That's the only ones I got. The other ones are too hot.
I do have.
Let me open to them.
That's what it is.
Ngemelak.
How do you eat it?
Just like that. Chew
Yeah.
the fingers. Chew. Yeah, the fingers are good. It's just the bone part starts here. You've eaten chicken feet.
I know. I forgot.
I'm like, oh yeah, in the Philippines.
I know, but I already forgot because I haven't had this since.
The only thing that they don't sell here is the intestine of the chicken.
That's what I said. When I went with her to the Philippines on the side of the road, they had a
Yeah.
barbecue with kidneys, right? Heart, liver, and
At
intestines.
bakulaw.
I like the
Yeah.
intestines.
I like the intestine. That's what Maureen love
Di pa
too.
ko naman isaw-isaw.
When they're barbecued like that, oh, it was so good. And the vinegar.
MJ, did you let him taste the the quack quack?
The egg.
The quack quack?
We went. Remember, you ate it, and I wouldn't eat it.
No, it's a different one.
How about the balut
Yeah, we went, and she had it, and the baby chicken.
inside?
That's not the one which.
I couldn't eat it.
No, it's egg and then there's a flour. The eggs.
Cooper, no.
Quack quack is the small chicken,
Yeah, she got it, and I
but
couldn't. I couldn't.
but
eat it.
there's a
No, that's
flour inside with the orange,
the color
color.
orange. It's not
Yeah.
the one you're talking about.
This one was just a cooked.
and then the
baby chicken.
yeah, the baby chicken, and then the
its head, and I was like,
egg also, egg with the
balut, the
Yeah.
one that's.
not
The
balut,
stinky one.
but
That's the.
Yeah, what's it called? I've had it here. I had it in Vancouver.
oh,
You get it in Vancouver.
they have here too.
Yeah, Vancouver has everything.
Hmm.
If you
The
go
quack
look
quack
at
that the egg that they put orange and then the flour outside,
it. Not that. It's just what's the egg? They ferment it or something.
and then they fry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, not me.
Philippine. It's really good.
Do you have it?
Ha? Gusto ko yung yung kidney ulit.
I'll see. I'll try.
Oh, I have a glass here.
Yeah. I don't. But you forgot the sauce.
No, it's gonna be more tasty.
Aw.
Maybe put charicha.
What charicha? It's too spicy. I don't like spicy.
That's good for you. I like chicken.
You don't like spicy food?
I don't like spicy, and then they don't allow me
For
to.
gallbladder.
Or your gallbladder?
Yeah, because I don't have gallbladder, and then I have a high
Cholesterol?
no, the acidic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want that. My grandma had a gallbladder, but she wasn't allowed to eat like fatty meats or Because every time she did, her stomach.
Yeah, they don't allow to me everything like tomato,
Yeah, anything is.
caffeine, most especially alcohol. So
Yeah.
I completely stop alcohol.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gusto mo i-ano ko na to, tapos lagyan ko ng ganyan?
Yeah, okay na.
Ito? Hindi na?
Then, okay.
Ay, mantika lab.
It's very common the gallbladder these days.
Sorry?
A lot of people have their gallbladder. One of the
Oo.
girls at work just had hers removed too. And then another guy, his wife just had hers removed. Seems to be
Si Mami may bato. My
Huh?
mom has gallbladder stones.
gallstone.
Gallstones.
Ano siya yung, na ano ako nun eh.
Although,
Nasaan?
Ano yan? Ano sa yung ketchup with soy ba? Soy?
Yeah, so
Oh, Jesus.
And paminta. The
hey, Cooper.
stop.
Easy,
Bakit
guys.
nag-aaway?
Easy.
Siyempre pag nagkainitan na yan sila, baka mag-away.
Hindi.
Guys, alright. Getting pretty bitey there.
Who's bitey?
Both of them.
No,
Hey, Cooper.
stop.
ilan taon na si Cooper?
1 and a few months po.
I think same with Asher.
Mas matanda po si
Sa akin,
Asher
may
ng mga
bitey
ilang
complex
months.
Mm.
No,
But they can get, you know.
stop. Okay.
Mami, sanay ka na sa aso nyo, hindi ka natakot. Di ba sa Pilipinas, makatakot mga aso?
May aso din ako sa Pilipinas eh.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
na pet.
Pero-
hindi yung ano, yung
Ano,
hindi
no,
bantay.
the native. Kaya hindi na ako, pag nanganganak nga ako, nagpapaanak.
Ah, okay. Sanay ka. Ako hindi, takot ako.
Eh yan kasi, pet talaga yan.
Mm-mm.
Mas sweet kaya yan, ang sweet-sweet niya. Kaya pag hindi ko nakikita yan, Diyos ko, parang yun ang pinaka-baby namin sa bahay. Mm-mm.
Buti naman po at ano nyo, na papahal na sa inyo. Kasi
Oo,
matrabaho.
parang yan ang pinaka-baby namin yan eh.
Matrabaho at magastos.
Nagastos talaga yan at saka matrabaho.
Pag ito yung naiga na.
Kahit na ang lamig-lamig, gusto mo talagang, ano, pag nag-ring siya ng bell.
Yan, si Mark pumayat dahil sa ano, paglalakad. Sa aso namin. Ako din, ngayon, ako naglalakad dyan.
Katara.
Si Atara, minsan, sumasama. Pag-feel niya. May bundok sa likod namin. Yan, naglalakad ko.
Share kami.
Konti.
Ay, yung kape ko, lumalamig na. Asan ba? Saan ko nilagay yung kape ko? Ala,
Ayun.
akin ba yun? Baka iyo ata yun eh.
Mas maitim yung kape mo po.
Malamig na.
Yung mga lalagyan dyan, may laman pa yun, mami, baka itapon nyo, ha? Yung ano, lalagyan ng kape, meron pa yung laman.
Ito?
Mm-mm.
Walang laman to. Ay, ito meron. Dapat yung ipit. Nagdala din tayo ng ipit. Sabi ko nga, next year, mag-rent na lang tayo ng ano.
Trailer?
Yung alam mo yung ganun, oh.
Mahal.
Yung truck lang.
Lim.
Pero sabi naman niya, ibebenta niya yung ano, sasakyan para bibili na lang tayo mas malaki. Ala, panay luto mo, panay kain naman ako.
Hindi po sumama si ano,
Si Mau.
si Jowa.
Ewan ko naman yun. Pareha sila ni Mau ang ng trip. Yung parang gusto nila yung silent. Gusto nila yung hindi pakikialaman.
Sir. Cooper.
Sumarap ah. Nilagyan mo ng ano.
Mami, sinong mas pabor ka? Dun sa yung isa o ito?
Mas maano naman to. Yun naman, mahangin yun.
Marespekto.
Marespeto to.
Yung isa
Yun, makasarili yun. Yung dati. Tapos,
hindi
yung parang mahangin.
hindi kayo nire-respeto.
Tapos walang respeto.
Inaaway nga sila. Inaaway nga niya. Harap ko eh. Kaya nagdadrive siya.
Tapos, isa pa, na barkada, lahat ng bisyo meron siya.
Party-party ganun.
Tapos, more on, pagka bibili gusto niya yung, sa kabil mo ko siya. Manggagamit pati.
Ay, Diyos ko. Ano ba yan?
Tapos nung namalengke sila.
Ay, mami, naka-live ka pala. Huwag na lang. Huwag na lang.
Okay lang.
Normal lang. Natural talaga ng may ganyan na tayo.
Tapos namalengke sila. Tapos alam mo, hinahayaan niya na si Mikmik ang nagbitbit ng ng mabibigat. Samantalang ito, never niyang hindi siya pumapayag na magbibitbit si ng
Stop playing.
mabigat.
Look at Cooper. He's tired. In the Asher, not yet.
Can't stop him.
I'm probably stopping it both
I've
times.
untangled him like 20 times.
They will tired
Taste
later.
it now, honey. This one's a better batch. Here. Try this.
This one here.
No, here. This
It's
one.
not cooked though.
Oh, really? Okay, then you wait for it. No, I don't think that's one. No, that one is not
The one that has sauce is more.
Also remember, I have a cooking grill, and then it's calling a pulutan. I have to drink whiskey in it.
Oh, you do daw.
Bring it and then let's change here.
Pagdating siguro pwede tayong kumain.
Nainin ba yung yung kanin?
Tapos yung paluto na yung
Yung kakain, busog na ako dito sa chicken feet.
sarap may rice.
Hindi mo rin pwedeng ikain sa kanin ito kasi mauubos yung kanin. Hindi mo pa na yung masisip yung buto nito. Masarap lang talaga dito pulutan.
Ay, super. Tapos sila maglaro. Pagod na parehas.
Masarap ang tulog niya mamaya.
Ayaw na ni Cooper yung paglaro. Napagod na.
Maano yan? Matutulog sa gitna. Gitna natin yan si Asher.
Buti kasya kayo dyan, ma. Apat kayo.
Eksakto naman.
Grabe yung problema ko doon sa lupa ako doon. Gastos ng gastos. Pananakot.
Ay, naku.
Sukat. Pabaguhin ng kabila yung muhon.
Yung usog niya.
Babaguhin.
Kaya,
Kayo din?
tutuloy nga namin kasuhan eh.
Wala yung
Para madala.
anak niya. Sa mag-anak din sa side. Siguro mga third cousin ng nanay. Marami natin. Sa mag-anak. Eh pag sila. Sa harap mo okay. Pag talikod mo wala na naman. Hindi na naman susundin yung pinag-usapan.
Pag sasabihin nakakasuhan, titigil sila. Matahimik.
Ayun.
Pero pagka hindi mo lilipat yung yung mohon, iuusog yung bakod nila. Gustong kamkamin talaga. Pero wala silang titulo doon. Kinamkam lang din nila yung titulo.
Ako. Yun ang mahirap eh. Eh, kumusta naman po dun sila, lola?
Okay lang.
Okay naman? Safe naman sila?
Andun na.
Done na?
Hati-hati ng lupa namin.
Oh, the pakko.
Is that better? Way better?
Pakko.
Yan, because more soy sauce, right? Magalagay kasi ng konting soy sauce eh.
Kaya sabi ko nga, dry na dry kasi.
Nawala yung ano eh. Naiwan ko yung sauce eh.
Baka yung nakita ko nandun sa may table. Sayang. Ang sarap pa man din yung sauce na yun. Inilipat mo pa nga sa isang ano.
Pinakpan ko eh.
Nakita ko nilipat mo yun eh.
Pinaglutuan ng adobo. Yung pinaglutuan ng tito.
Alam mo ba, tita, sabi ko sana magluto si tito nung ano, yung bistek.
Kaya nga nagluto siya kasi alam niyang paborito mo.
Oh, nice. Sabi ko,
Ay, paborito ko rin naman yan.
Lagi rin yung nire-request.
pakasarap.
Tapos alam mo yung supervisor ko dati sa trabaho ko? Paborito niya. Dati daw hindi kumakain yung anak niya ng sibuyas.
Oh,
Kinain na daw niya.
kasarap eh.
Nasarapan siya.
Nanood ko pa yata ng sino.
Grabe ka naman. Ang sarap dito, grabe.
Si Atara, gustong-gusto niya magkaroon ng mga ate, kuya, gano'n.
Kaya nga, palagay na palagay siya sa mga ate niya, kuya niya eh.
Feel na feel niya. Oh no.
Sumarap mo na ito.
Dapat kasi, dinagdagan niyo muna eh.
Nang
Kahit isa man lang eh. Para may kasama siya.
Ay, hirap.
Anong hirap?
Naman magastos.
Kasama sa buhay yan.
May mga nalaglag, sayang. Tita, meron ka bang pagtusok dyan? May... Or kahit yung mga ito, meron ito. Pinagkainan.
Oo, yan. Hindi, meron naman palang ano, may hawakan pala.
Hindi, may nalaglag na isang ano.
Ay, yung isang ano, oh. Masarap siya.
iwas ng tilapia.
Yes!
Ay, ito pala. Nagbumili ako ng ganito kasi sabi ko nga, akala ko hindi niya tinusok. Akala ko dito pa tayo magtutusok.
Ito, sayang tong isa.
Ala, hindi na ano, mahihinog itong bayabas ko.
Man, sit over here, Mark! Oh.
He wanted somebody with him.
So tired. I'm trying to keep him.
Asher.
No bark, Cooper.
Not Cooper.
Yeah, it's Asher.
Asher, no bark.
Asher, don't bark.
Kita.
Kawawa si si Cooper na meron siyang
Oh, sorry po.
may collar.
Hindi, kung hindi po namin ipipress, hindi naman siya
Pinipress
Dati,
ata ni,
oo.
pines ni yung kanina eh.
Merong ano.
Hindi, pag naka-auto, dati naka-auto, pero ngayon hindi. Kung kailan lang namin
Pag makulit na siya, no?
mag-shop, doon lang siya mag-shop o open.
Pero ano siya? Ala, kain ako ng kain. Bubusog na ako niyan.
Mabubusog ka na.
Kaya nga, dati nga malaking tiyan ko talaga eh. Last na to. Habay hirit pa eh. Sumarap kasi nung nilagyan mo ng sauce eh.
Matatalo ka sa dinner. Kunti lang makakain mo. Sabagay, lagi mo naman kinakain ko.
Yun lang ako nagluto ng ganyan.
Bihira kaya pag nagre-request ako, bihira yung magluto din lang kasi wala siyang time.
Time.
Dapat
Pagod.
ituro mo na yung recipe kay tita.
Alam naman niya.
Alam niya.
O minsan, saka na lang, pero hindi naman niya
Parang si Mark.
nga ituturo.
Saka na lang.
Masarap yan, painitin lang bukas, i-grill lang ng konti.
Lalahatin ko ba dito o ito na muna?
Lahatin na.
Ito.
Konti na nga lang yung natira.
Huwag na magluto bukas, no?
Meron naman tayong tilapia bukas. Salmon.
I-ano na lang yan, ipainit lang bukas yan.
Yung beef. Siguro. Bukas naman bro.
May beef pa? Anong beef yun? Ay, yung beef stick. O, painit na lang natin bukas. Kaya lang,
Inuubos. Pero may nauubos eh.
kailangan daw ilagay doon sa sa sasakyan.
Sa likod.
Kasi malakas na ang pag-amoy daw ng mga wolf at saka yung yung
Sasakyan lang aamoy nila.
at least pag nakasil dyan, hindi yan
Eh, itong basura pati doon.
at least basura.
Sino ba sabi?
Himik-mik.
Tama.
Wala silang hindi katulad nung pinag-anuhan natin na kompleto, may organic, may basurahan. Buti na lang naalala ko, sabi ko,
Kasi yun eh, parang.
to be sure, sabi kong ganon. Bumili ako sa kanila tayo ng ng...
Kasi mabawasan yung pagbalik natin, konti na lang.
Oo.
Hindi na tulad na mabigat.
Kaya kailangan kainin natin lahat yung ano para wala tayong maibalik para hindi mabigat. Nabawasan yung ano, magkaroon na space dun sa ano.
Tatlong gabi pala tayo dito. Balik tayo Monday.
Buti pumayag po yung ano nyo, work nyo.
Hindi ako sayang naman sila kasi.
Slow down kasi.
Kahit na
Hindi, sa ano? Sa ikabila.
Si Kurt? Of my. Parang ayaw pa nga ni Kurt kasi, ano nga, July eh.
Oh.
Sabi ko, Friday, Monday lang naman ah. Kung ano. Ay, Saturday, Sunday.
Oo, sa day off mo naman talaga yung Saturday, Sunday, di ba?
Buti na lang may day off mo ang weekend. Pero sa Tapa meron ka nun. Saturday, Sunday.
Ay, di. Yun talaga ang kompleto akong kaso.
Parang walang tao dyan o sa kabila.
Kaya nakasimple pa ako ng ano.
Nakahigayat, nakatulog na.
Hindi, walang sasakyan eh.
Ayun, nakatayong tent.
Ito yung tent dito sa tabi natin. Baka lumabas.
Baka dalawa lang sila.
Baka lumabas yan.
Baka nga, nag-beach, nag-surf.
Ano may araw nito? Wala dito.
Hindi ko, baka,
Baka hindi sa kabila.
Yung pinuntahan natin yung last year, andun yung katabi natin yung may-ari, di ba?
Saan po kayo nagpunta?
Bahay. Talagang may bakit siya.
Parang ganito
Sino
rin.
kasama nyo?
Campsite din.
Pero private.
Pero private siya. Meron pa ngayon, ano ba yung umuugong ay tumatahol sa gabi.
Yung parang
Hindi naman tumatahol pero yung
kabayo.
parang kabayo siya na maliit.
Donkey.
Oo. Ano tawag nun?
Farm siya.
Donkey? Tapos pinagpitas pa kami ng nila.
Mamaya, sarap matulog yan, dalawang yan.
Asher! Enough.
Buti din nasasaktan.
Sanay silang maglaro ng rock.
Walang tulog pa yan si Asher.
Si Cooper din.
Ang bako na yan, dalawang yan.
Bagong ligo pa man din.
Sino nagpaligo?
Si Mau.
Oh, si Mau?
Si Mau ang lagi nagpapaligo dyan.
Ang galing naman.
Takot ng tayo.
Una, hindi na alam. Ang tinuro ko.
Buti pumapayag.
Mm-mm.
Yung aso, gusto? Gustong gusto?
Oo, nasanay na eh.
Cooper, iyak-iyak.
Noong una. Pero pinapaliguan nyo rin yan.
Ako, tsaka si minsan si
Pero sa bathtub namin pinapaliguan, hindi sa labas.
Kami din po.
Malamig nga naman sa labas kasi. Kahit pa sabihin mong ano.
Dati luto talaga pag sa kanila hindi. May mga baon.
Oo. Nung nag-camping kami, nagdala ako ng adobo. Nagdala ako ng mga luto na. Oo. Kasi sila, pag camping, upo-upo lang.
Cold drink lang.
Ay, hindi.
Tapos sandwich.
Dito, mas masarap yung
Pilipino kasama. Nung sa campground namin, ang ingay ng mga Pilipino, ang saya.
Lab, anuhin mo naman. Lutuin mo naman ng konti. Huwag mo na ihilaw kasi
Malulutuin ko nga.
paborito ko. Pinaluto ko kagabi dun sa store. Alam mo, hilaw na hilaw. Gustong gusto kong kumain ng hindi niya naluto, maanghang. Ayaw na ayaw ko yung maanghang.
Tagdagan ko ng
Dagdagan mo yan kasi gustong gusto ko. Lutuin mo ng husto ng may chopping board naman, di ba? Impak kamay mo. Sabi ni ni AJ, igawan mo na lang yung kutsilyo ni Papa ng para hindi niya binabalot, yung leather daw. Kasi yung inuman ko, ginawan ko ng bag. Pakita ko sa'yo.
Hinahian mo?
Leather yun. Niras ko nga lang kahapon. Para kahit nawala akong bag, Ito lang ang dadalhin ko. Ano na siya? Ito, oh.
Wow! Pakita mo kay Mark. Ang galing.
See? So that, you see, Mark, I made a bag for my, because so that when we hiking, just do like this, and then so that you don't see a leather. See? Or like those one, there's a coffee. Just put it like that. I rushed it yesterday at work.
Nagpapasok ka pa rin MJ sa ano? Perfect. Na sa bahay mo lang pang nakaan.
It's a leather.
Kasi
So I make one for Melvin's knife.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Pero nagtatanggalan. Kasi nabahal sila sa Mexico. Saka sa India.
ay tinatanggal yung malalaking sahod.
Kasi,
Dami ng India dito.
Ha?
hindi, pero hindi. Talaga, sa India.
Ha?
Hinahire nila kasi mas mura ang bayad.
Kaya nga.
Ay, naka-open pala yung ano ka.
Marami akong mga katrabaho na wala.
Shout out sa inyo lahat.
Eh, at least-
Andito kami kasi sa campingan, out of town kami. Kasi,
Walang ganun-ganun.
summer. Every year kasi nagkakamping kami
Hindi,
kasi
wala
talaga.
Ewan ko ba
Ayan.
paano nila pinipili.
Nabusog na ako sa kakakain na barbecue. Eh, nagluluto pa sila. Si yung pamangkin ko,
Ayun sila. Ang dapat na maluto.
siya nag-iihaw. Yung asawa ko naman,
So tired.
Ah,
nagluluto ng beef stick. Tapos
Okay.
yung asawa niya, yung manugang namin na puti.
Non-stop. And I keep wondering why they got dog here.
Hello?
He sheds.
Hello,
Yan, natututo rin sa ano.
Pumaparty
Tapos
na
yung
kayo,
mga anak ko,
pumaparty
tsaka
na.
yung anak nila, yung lumabas sila, bumili pa ng ibang kailangan. Ayan, yan.
Okay.
So, bukas, lalabas kami, maggagala kami bukas. So, see you tomorrow again.
When he talks about
Ito, wala kasing signal dito. So, i-ano ko na lang, i-upload ko na lang kapag andun kami sa isang signal, ay sa lugar na may signal. O kaya,
My daughter's in the
ano,
car.
pag uwi na lang namin. Pero sa Monday pa kami makakauwi. So, 4 days namin dito.
a little bit
So,
more.
bye-bye muna guys. Thank you. Sana pakisupport naman. Thank you, bye-bye.